340 Mopar DCO Webers. Look at that beauty right there. We only did half because it's the same on both. We do have a little bit of an alignment issue. Can you see this white right here? I put some chalk on it, so whenever I remove it, I can see it, and I'll just give it a little bit of generous. But looking right here, we are right at about 6 millimeters. Or if we do this, 1/4 inch, and I did this in inches, and I did 0.75 of an inch over. So these are 1 inch space back per side, basically. You've got the driver's side bank, and then they push back this bank by 1 inch. So if anybody was wondering about that, that's that measurement right there. Now, whenever I do this, I might lift it up just a hair, but we've got amazing clearance everywhere, and I think we're doing pretty dang good. So all I need to do now is get a valley plate for this, and I think we're just gonna do a old aluminum intake, and we'll just cut the coolant on both sides. So you got the crossover and we got the back ones, and that'll just be our valley plate, and we'll have the 3D printed intake right here. That's a 260Z 1974 Datsun 260Z with a 1970 Mopar 340 V8 with 50 millimeter Weber carburetors. It's going to be ×4 to make them individual runners, ITBs. It's going to sound sweet, and I definitely can't wait to get into this summer. I'm gonna have a lot more light, a lot more time to work on this thing. So that's gonna be working pretty soon. And this one right here, all it needs is a fuel pump and maybe a battery, and let's go with new tires, but that's another day. So whenever this snow starts melting, maybe we can start driving this guy again. More work on this to come.